say it's packaged similar to the other brand. It's gonna be pretty tight in there.
Alright. Handles.
Feetsies.
Hardware.
Oh, all the hardware.
Yep. Yep, that's what I thought. It's all taped together.
What's first?
Well, let's make sure that we have everything. These two are the same. They have a hole. This one does not. The sides are the same.
That's its height?
Yep.
Okay. Are they supposed to make that noise?
I'm gonna go with no. Alright. It looks like we actually build this upside down.
What?
Yep.
Well, I mean, before you flip the instructions, they look right side up from my angle.
This is the top.
This is different.
And all the pieces attached to the top.
Huh.
And we go from there.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
This is actually quite heavy. A lot heavier
Whoa.
than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, that's thicker than I thought it was going to be.
Alright. Oh. Might as well build it close to where I'm putting it, right? Alright, I have 3 different things here, so I'm going to divide them up. There are short screws, long screws. There are also legs, but they're over here already.
Legs or feet?
Feet.
And it came with the tool.
Yes, and the tool. We'll say that is the front. Yeah, I'm not going to tighten it up all the way just yet. I'm going to leave it kind of loose so I can get everything to square up. I'm going to get it just a little bit tighter than that, but there we go. Alright. There are 2 different kinds here. One has 3 holes. One only has 1 hole. We want the 2 with the 3 holes in it. So these have 2 different size holes. This side, the hole is a lot larger than this side. And we want that hole facing up.
The smaller or the larger?
The smaller side needs to be facing up. So it will go like that.
So up is down.
Yes.
Oops. I tried helping. I quit. I mean, I know it's nothing to flip out over, but... Oh, come on. You are the master of puns during building projects. I'm surprised you haven't just let one go yet. Let's see if I can get this one in without flipping it.
You flip it now, it'll be amazing.
Especially since I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, you kind of gotta wiggle it just a little bit. So the holes in the bottom that I mentioned were two different sizes. Are two different sizes because the screws are made to go all the way up into the square rail, so the drawers will slide over top of them. Because if not, this one right here would actually be in the way of your middle drawer. So this is going to be just like this middle bar here. It only has the one hole because it only has to attach to one divider. So I'll go ahead and anchor it right here in the middle. This is the middle screw on the front. Alright, that is basically it, except for the little feet. There are 4 of them, one for each corner.
Oh, that's not very easy. There it goes. That's adorable.
That's it. We need to put the drawers together and that's it.
I was gonna say, it's kind of missing something. This is my favorite part. Putting the drawers together.
Part 2. I think I'm going to do this the same way as I did the other one.
Cut the side of the box.
Yep.
He's going to start opening this one while I finish up putting the drawers handles on this one. Basically, all you have to do from here is these bottoms come separate. You push them in all the way, screw the handles in, and ta-da! You have a drawer. Same process?
Yep.
So this is very different from when the girls are put together. Because the girls, you had to put separate bars across here for each of the drawers. And they had to be installed first. And we ended up having to, we found, you do one side, lay it down on its side, and then do the other side. This one's mounting straight to the top. It's very different. And there's not individual bars in between the drawers?
Nope.
No. Huh. I mean, there almost is on this one. There is. There's bars. That's so crazy. I'm interested to see how it finishes. Just how it finishes. Sorry. I ended that sentence like it should not have octopus.
This one is much easier than the other one. This one has 8 screws. Let's try to cross thread that.
I think that was the problem I was having too, trying to do it one-handed and filming a minute ago on the other dresser.
I haven't actually looked at the instructions on this one yet.
I'm not surprised.
This one's pretty self-explanatory, I mean.
It is a lot easier than the other ones are. However, it is narrower than the girls were. I still would prefer the ones that they have for them. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because like I like that it's a little bit wider and that they still have the 2 separate drawers. But this one worked better for our purposes in here. With where we were wanting the dressers. So I like both. Basically. I like both of them.